Look into the sky and you will see a group of stars shaped like a half circle. This is a Mohawk story about its creation. There was once a mighty bear who had everyone frightened. Even the best hunters couldn't catch him. And any time he appeared, heavy snows came, making it impossible to track him. One night, three brothers all dreamed that they'd caught the mighty creature. The next morning, they took off on a secret hunt with their dog, Gia. The hunters were so determined to catch the bear that they didn't sleep at night or rest during the day. But as hard as they tried, it never seemed like they could get any closer to him. Finally, the tireless hunters reached the end of the earth. But they still wouldn't give up, so they followed the bear into the sky. After such a long journey, the bear was very tired, so he wove an invisible net, cast it across the skies, and crawled underneath to get some sleep. Finally, the hunters had reached the bear. Believing they had finally caught the elusive creature, they cheered. But the bear wasn't sleeping as soundly as they thought, and suddenly the tables turned. The bear woke up and threw his giant net over them. Then he dragged them far away. The hunters and their dog are still up there, unaware that they're trapped under a giant net. In the night sky, they still follow the path of the bear, but try as they might, they can never catch him.